Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Passive Income Hub. So today we're diving into 30 passive income ideas you can start as a beginner in 2024. Imagine making money while you sleep, earning from home and building sustainable income stream without depending solely on Google AdSense. Now guys, if this sounds like something you would like, I would take you step by step through each idea and I will show you how to scale up for long-term success. So guys, let's get straight into it. So what is passive income and why passive income? Passive income is all about financial freedom, making money beyond your active 9 to 5 and setting up streams that pay you continuously. Whether you want extra cash or full-time income, these ideas can help you get there. And you know the best part of them? Many of them don't even require Google AdSense. So guys, before YouTube monetization and Google AdSense, it is possible to make money online. So the first passive income stream we want to look at is to sell digital products. So guys, you can create ebooks, printables, planners, or templates on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. Now the first thing you want to do is to start by identifying a topic you know so well. Create the product and list it. Scale by expanding your digital products portfolio. Moving on to affiliate marketing. Guys, you can promote products and earn commissions when people buy through your links. Now, some of the best ones are Amazon Associate and Share a Sale. So guys, these are great starting points. You can also consider CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate features thousands of other producers and manufacturers. So with CJ Affiliate, you can maximize your chances of earning. On to online courses. So you can share your knowledge on platforms like Udemy or even Teachable. So guys, start with a course or a topic you know, then scale by adding more courses or offering premium content. We're moving on to one of the exciting ones, printing on demand. Now guys, the nice thing about printing on demand, like we said, you don't have to hold inventory. So guys, you can design t-shirts, mugs, and posters. So you can join companies like Printful or Redbubble. Guys, there's also Printify. So if you want to start your print on demand business, you can start from these places. So as you grow, you can explore niche designs or even open a branded print on demand shop, creating a YouTube channel. So this is the fifth way you can earn passive income in 2025 and beyond. So guys, beyond Google AdSense, you can actually earn with sponsorships. You can earn with affiliate marketing or by selling merch. So pick a niche and start creating helpful content today and leverage other monetization strategies. Now the number 6th passive income strategy, which I've been doing for about 7 months now and it's starting to pay off, you should write an ebook. So if you're knowledgeable in any subject, write a book and publish it on Kindle Direct Publishing. It's a great way to earn royalties. So guys, you want to set up your Kindle account and start researching for your book today. I'm challenging you. After this video, it's a great way to earn passive income, ebook publishing. Moving on to number 7. This one is pretty much easy for anybody. So guys, you can sell stock photos or videos. So if you love photography or videography, platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock allows you to upload content and earn royalties every time your content is used. Guys, don't you like the sound of that? This is passive income. If you have unused space in your house, consider renting it on Airbnb. You can start small by renting a room and scale up if you have more space or even multiple properties. So don't let your properties, extra room, that parking lot, or that cupboard, don't let it just go to waste. Guys, you can rent it out to other people. The number 9 passive income strategy is dropshipping. You can open an online store and sell products without holding inventory. So guys, use Shopify and connect with suppliers like Oberlo or AliExpress. Start with a niche and scale as you find popular products. Moving on to blogging with affiliate links. Guys, I'm doing this also. I started blogging full-time on the 1st of July 2024, and so far I've been able to monetize my blog post through Google AdSense and Adstera. Moving on to dividend stocks. Guys, this is for the big boys and big girls. So some people don't have time for book publishing or blogging or content creation. You can go into dividend stocks. So guys, invest in companies that pay dividends. Start with small amounts in reputable companies and increase as you get more comfortable with the market. We're moving on to creating a membership site. Guys, this is also similar, or this can be done alongside your blogging. You can create a membership site on your blog. Now, some of the best sites where you can start your blog would recommend Webador, and I'll also recommend Wix. Why? Because they have such a friendly interface for beginners. We're moving on to renting a car. So use platforms like Turo to rent out your car when it's not in use. Start with short-term rentals and increase the number of days you rent as you grow. Number 14, passive income strategy. Build an app or software. If you're tech savvy, create a helpful app or tool. Scale by offering premium features or a subscription model. Guys, don't forget, you can market your app or software business on YouTube even before monetization. So guys, start building your network, start making money even before YouTube monetization. We're moving on to licensing your music. So if you have a talent, if you are a musician, if you are a creative, you can upload your music to stock audio sites. Now guys, you earn every time someone licenses your track for a project. For instance, if you are conversant or familiar with CapCut, you would notice that there are some commercial music placed there for you for editing your videos. So guys, if you are also a creative and you think you have a nice voice or you know how to make sweet music, why not give it a go? Start creating your own audio sounds and putting them on sites like that, so you can start earning royalties for whenever your music is used. Number 16th passive income strategy we want to consider is to sell an online course on your website. Guys, like I said earlier, blogging could go with site membership, and also selling an online course could go on your website as well. So guys, if you're blogging, you could sell online courses and you could also create memberships as you blog, all from the same website. Guys, I'm doing this already, and like I said earlier, you can consider Wix and Webador to start your blogging business today. So with a proper website, you can also sell your courses. Now, if you don't have a website, you can sell your courses on platforms like Udemy. Now, Udemy gives you direct control on these courses. So guys, you can start with one course or one thing you are really good at, then you promote it and then expand as you gain traction, which is investing in rental property. So guys, you can start from just one property, then you scale up as you build equity. Number 18, peer-to-peer lending. Guys, you can lend small amounts through platforms like Lending Club and earn interest. So you can start with what you're comfortable giving out first. Then as you start making profit, you can reinvest your earnings to scale up your business. Now we're moving on to selling your own merchandise. Create your own clothing or accessory line using POD platforms or small investments in inventory. Build a brand and scale through marketing. Now guys, a lot of YouTubers are already selling their merchandise on their channels, and they are doing well already. So guys, you can take a hint from these people, take a cue from them, and create your own brand. You can start with simple things like t-shirts, jotters. You can even make your own journals and start selling. Now we're moving on to real estate investment trust. Now, REITs. So invest in real estate without buying property. I know we spoke about rental properties. This is to invest in rental properties for steady monthly income. Now, real estate investment trust popularly known as REITs, you can invest in real estate without buying any property. With REITs, you get paid dividends based on the property profits, making them a low barrier entry into real estate investing. So guys, the profit might be a bit low, but it is relatively safe investing in REITs. Moving on to the 21st passive income strategy, create and sell online course template. Guys, if you're not ready to create a full course, you can sell course template on platforms like Canva or even Etsy. Now it's an easier entry into the online course market. Start a newsletter business. Guys, if you're knowledgeable in a particular area, the best thing to do is to monetize a newsletter with exclusive content. Start with a free version and offer a paid tier once you grow subscribers. Now guys, you can go to platforms like Beehive or Sparkloop or ConvertKit to start your newsletter business journey today. The next one we want to look at, if you love the technical stuff and things like that, you can build and sell websites. Now guys, people need websites. People are popping up with websites every day, but they don't know how to build it. I built my own website myself, and I can tell you it's a lot of work that has gone in there. And guys, if I had not gone as far as I did, I would have actually paid someone else to build my website for me. So guys, you can start to build and sell websites. So you can build websites and sell them on platforms like Flipper. So you can start by creating niche sites. You can fill it in with quality content, then you flip them for profit. We're moving on to selling domain names. Guys, you can buy domain names with potential value and sell them later. So guys, use platforms like GoDaddy or Namecheap. This is speculative, but it can actually be lucrative if you are a good salesman or a good marketer, or if your network is big. Guys, you can try this business model. Moving on to creating a social media theme page. Build an Instagram or TikTok theme page around a popular topic. You don't have to wait for Google AdSense. Don't forget, a lot is happening on Facebook, on Instagram, and on your TikTok. So guys, you can make money from these areas. The same way you seriously and diligently use CapCut and Canva to design and to create your YouTube videos, you can do that for your other social media platforms as well. So you can build an Instagram page and you can start even promoting links as your page grows. Audiobook narration. If you have a good voice, guys, narrate audiobooks and get royalties. You can start on ACX. ACX is a platform that connects you with authors looking for narrators. Now guys, moving on. Guys, you can sell your expertise as a consultant. Offer paid advice sessions on a topic you know well using sites like clarity.fm. Guys, you can also record sessions and offer them as digital products later. So guys, if you're knowledgeable about something and you don't want to create an online course yet, you can sell your expertise as a consultant. Moving on to number 28, guys, you can make passive income by becoming a virtual assistant agency owner. Guys, here is the trick. You are not a virtual assistant. Rather, you go about hiring the best hands around. You hire and manage virtual assistants for clients. You also earn a commission on each booking. So guys, you can start by setting up a website to attract clients. The next one you want to do is to develop a niche product to sell on Amazon. So guys, if you're in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, China, guys, this is for you. Develop a niche product today to sell on Amazon. Never say never. You need to try first to see if it's going to work for you. So guys, you can start small, then you reinvest profit and scale as you identify more with profitable products. Like for me personally, I publish books on Amazon. So I have paperbacks and hardcovers, which I sell between 20 to 30 copies every month. So guys, this is not too bad for a new author. So you can develop a niche product to sell on your Amazon. Source a unique product, private label it, and sell it on Amazon. So guys, the trick is to start small, reinvest profit, and scale as you identify. Build an email list for marketing. Guys, you can do this alongside your blogging. I am doing it as well. So you grow an email list and send affiliate offers or digital products. So guys, you can start by offering a freebie to attract subscribers, then nurture and monetize the list over time. How do you scale your passive income strategies in 2025? Let's go. As you start with one or more of these passive income ideas, scaling up is key to building sustainable passive income. So guys, it is one thing to set it up, and it is another thing to maintain it and also to scale it up. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to reinvest your profits. Guys, reinvest your profits back into your business so you can grow your business and also so you can have additional income stream. Set up automated systems for emails marketing, order fulfillment, and customer engagement. Also, diversify your streams. Guys, don't rely on one stream alone. Gradually add others to increase financial security. Now, let me give you an example. For me personally, I started book publishing in February 2024, and once my book publishing kicked off, I added blogging onto it on the 1st of July 2024. And once I started to monetize my blog post with Google AdSense and Adstera, I added affiliate marketing to it. So I joined CJ Affiliate and I joined Amazon Affiliate. And now those have also taken up as well. And I have now started my YouTube journey since the 1st of August 2024. So far, my YouTube channel is growing, but I'm happy to let you know that I have also brought some of my books from Amazon and marketed them right here on YouTube. And guys, I have made my first £100 on YouTube. I am not monetized, but I am making money on my own. So guys, I'm doing it so you can. So guys, copy this strategy for your passive income in 2025, for your financial freedom and financial independence. So guys, we also said you want to build a brand and an audience. As you're growing your YouTube channel, remember, it's not all about subscribers. You also need to build your community organically. So guys, while your short videos will be giving you heaps and a lot of subscribers, you need to start hosting live sessions so other people can see you and connect with you. So in this way, you're building your community bit by bit. Finally, you don't need Google AdSense to build a successful income from home. Each of these ideas offers a path to financial independence, but it takes commitment and strategy. If you enjoyed these ideas, guys, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money making tips, and let me know in the comments which passive income ideas you are most excited to try in 2024.